Hi, in this video we will quickly look at Woodmart Theme General Options. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Under Theme Settings, click General Option. Using Layout option, you can select which header you want to display all over the site. You can adjust the site width and sidebar easily. Using Header Banner option, you can add a STRP to top. You can adjust the banner background, hide color and texts. You can see header banner is added. You can play with that as you want. Now you have promo pop-up banner, which is already added by default. Here you can change text, background image, hide invisibility for pop-up banner. If you want a age verification pop-up, just turn it on and add your text. Cookie law info, turn it on if you want to show cookie notice bar. You also have option for mobile button navigation bar. If you are using WooCommerce, leave it to search by product SKU. Here you can adjust the sticky navigation. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel.